So alright, before we talk about specific information for the cost-based optimizations, we need to provide you with some background knowledge for the people who propose this kind of techniques for you actually. I'm not sure if you know this lady or not. The lady is called Patricia Selinger. She is an American computer scientist and also IBM fellow. She is known for her work on the relational database system, and she played a fundamental role in developing the System R, which is a pioneering relational database system implementations. She also wrote the canonical paper on the relational query optimization, and she proposed to use a dynamic programming algorithm for determining the join orders proposed in that paper, and still forms the basis for most of the query optimizers used in modern relational database systems. And because of her contribution, she was a fellow of IBM. I'm not sure if you know IBM or not. IBM was very famous for database system implementation many years ago, but nowadays IBM has changed a lot. They are more focused on AI and as well as healthcare in recent years. But many years ago, IBM is a giant name, right? It's a big name. Everyone knows IBM, and also it is also the largest company in IT in the area actually. So Patricia, she was also elected as the National Academy of Engineering in 1999. She also won the Sycamore Elegant Code Innovation Award in 2002, and before her retirement, she was the VP of Data Management, Architecture, and Technology at IBM. So according to Patricia, in her view, the query optimization was the first attempt at what we call automatic computing and self-timing technology. Query optimizers have been 25 years in development with enhancement of the cost-based query models and the optimization algorithms that goes with it, and a richer variety of execution technologies that the optimizers can choose from. And also, we have to keep working on this area. It's never-ending quest for an increase in beta model, as well as optimization and execution techniques. So the more model we can predict what is really happening in the data and how the data is really organized. So the closer we will come to the ideal system. So Patricia has been working on this area for many years. She's a giant name in this topic, and you should know her name before we go to the cost-based optimizations of the queries.